Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem number of diagonals. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given a n convex polygon, okay, and we need to find the number of diagonals. This is a direct question. If you know the formula for it, you can easily solve the question. The formula is number of sides into n minus 3, again n is number of sides divided by 2. If you know the formula, you can solve this question in one line. I hope the formula and the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part, okay. What you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school, okay. Then find the problem, number of diagonals. Once you find the problem, click on solve problem, okay. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's solve the problem. 1 minute. Here is the question. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. We would be solving it. Let's read the question. Given a number n, the task is to find the number of diagonals in a n-sided convex polygon. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be solving this question over here. Okay. So let's quickly solve the question. Enter. Okay. 1 minute. Enter. Return. Okay. What do I need to return with? Circular bracket, log, okay, then outside this n star n minus 3, okay, then bracket /2, then semicolon. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Okay, so let's wait. Compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem number of diagonals. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.